Software development at ASML is really cool because we're working on one of the most complex machines in the entire world.
ASML's technology touches every aspect of our lives, from smartphones to AI.
Any laptop, your car, we're a part of all of it.
We developed the computational lithography software that runs the circuit designs to produce the mask that goes into the lithography machines.
Before our customers mass produce their chips, they need our software to help improve and optimize their process windows.
We use C, C++, we use Python for scripting, we use hardware-specific programming languages for some of our GPU development.
There's very much a physical component to our work. So having a diversity of backgrounds like mechanical engineering, physics, as well as our traditional software developers are really great for bringing in that insight into how the machine will actually work and how we can best develop our code to support that.
These collaborations result in real-world solutions that help improve our product capability.
Turn curiosity into a career.
Join us.